Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon beside so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's make this millet porridge a wholesome breakfast recipe. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of finger millet flour, that is ragi flour. To this, add little amount of water and mix it well. This step is to ensure that there are no lumps. If you add all the water at a time, then it doesn't mix properly and it ends up being lumpy. After this step, add all the remaining water. For 1 cup of flour, you require 4 cups of water. Now mix this well and place the pan on the stove. Cook this on medium-low to low heat, stirring it continuously. Keep stirring, otherwise all the flour mixture settles at the bottom and it becomes lumpy. Now observe closely, it has started to thicken up. This entire cooking process hardly takes about 4 to 6 minutes. If the flame is on medium-low, then reduce it to low heat and cook further. Keep stirring and stirring. Now it has all thickened up. If you cook furthermore, then big bubbles tend to form and it spills all over. So now it's fine and it's all done. You can remove it from the heat. Pour this into a bowl or a cube cup like this. Here I am adding some coconut milk. You can replace it with regular milk. Add some chopped nuts, walnuts and almonds. Mix it well. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Add your sweetener as well. Here I am adding jaggery, which is chopped finely. You can replace it with honey or sugar. If you wish, you can add jaggery or sugar while cooking itself. Give it a nice mix. And yeah, it's done. Your healthy and wholesome breakfast is ready. Be sure to check the description box below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.